guys, Star here. In this high-level tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can use the call transcript generator trigger within workflows. If you're in med spa and you're using our amazing voice AI feature, you can actually have those call transcripts instantly routed to you. This is perfect because it eliminates manual screening and it allows you to prioritize follow-ups quickly. Let's go ahead and dive in as I show you how to use this in workflows. Okay, so you're gonna want to be on the sub-account level. On the left-hand side, we're gonna go ahead and select automation. Once you're on automation, go ahead and click on workflows. From there, we're gonna go ahead and create a new workflow. Just go ahead and use the blue button that says plus create workflow. We're gonna go ahead and start from scratch. So now that we're in the workflow builder, let's go ahead and add a new trigger. And what you're gonna wanna do is just go ahead and search for transcript generated. Let's go ahead and select that. Now do notice that call transcript has to be enabled in order for this feature to work. So you'll see a warning at the bottom and you can actually just go ahead and click go to settings to instantly turn this on. So we're gonna go ahead and enable the trigger for calls and IVR types. So let's go ahead and go to settings. Now, once you're inside of the phone system under voice, you'll see call transcription. It'll take you directly there. We just want to go ahead and check enable call transcription. Now, this is a paid service and you would be charged a specific amount on top of the recordings generated. Let's go ahead and head back on over to our workflow so that we can continue setting it up. Okay, so now that you've enabled that feature, we're just going to go ahead and start with the workflow trigger. And we're going to go ahead with that transcript is generated. And the type is, you can select calls, IVR, or voice AI. Let's go ahead and select calls in this case. From there, you can use a standard field or custom field. We're going to go ahead with the standard field duration in seconds, and we're going to go ahead and say that it equals to 100 seconds. Similarly, we can also use the voice AI feature, and we can say that the direction of the call is incoming. And then we can also say that the duration of the call is 100 seconds. So you can go ahead and select the triggers that you like for your particular workflow. So we're going to go ahead and save this trigger. Now that you've selected the transcript generated trigger, you'll see that you have a variety of custom values. Let's just scroll down to transcript generated. We'll select that, and you can select a variety of custom values. So this could be call SID, call direction, call duration, call from, call to, call from city, state, and country, zip code as well, call to city, state, zip, and country as well, call answered by phone, by user, user ID, by device, call user ID, call username, call start time, call end time, and call status. So there's a lot that you can actually utilize within your workflow. So then you can go ahead and save your action as well as publish your workflow. So I want to talk about the use transcript data. I've just shown you how you can actually access call data via the custom value picker, but you can also use the if-else conditions. Let's go ahead and select the plus sign here, and we're just going to go ahead and select if-else. And with these conditions, you'll see that you can actually select from the branch transcript generated. When you select the transcript generated, you'll have multiple options here. And one of them is going to be for the full transcript, call duration, directions, status, caller location, user details, and timestamp. Thanks for joining me as we walk through how trigger automations from call transcripts generated inside of HighLevel. This feature gives you a powerful way to turn voice interactions into follow-up workflows automatically. So go ahead and start using this trigger in your business today to engage faster, stay ahead, and keep every conversation working for you and your business. Be sure to check out the official help doc link below with full details and explore the Content Army playlist for more high-level tutorials. I'm Star, and I'll see you in the next video.